Hello friend, Leo Hockinen here, investor, crowdfunder, legacy builder and also known as Tutor Man. I'm here in the Waszupp Crowdfunding platform and I'm going to give you a sneak peek. Alright, now if you want to start and grow a successful business, it's very easy. All you need to do is introduce 3 people. Cool or cool? It's very cool. And what I'm going to show you now is that once you get started, you'll be able to get involved and start introducing other members to the matrix. As you can see, right now there is an opportunity for you to be a leader, a founder member of this crowdfunding campaign. It's absolutely awesome. This rewards-based system will allow you to, first of all, get involved, put your donation in, introduce 3, and then you'll start to receive donations into your Bitcoin wallet. That's right, in Bitcoin. And as you can see here, this is how it works. Get members joining up, they'll start to donate, and then you'll start to get those donations into your Bitcoin wallet. Isn't that cool? It's very, very cool. So if you'd like to know how to join, it's very easy. Go to facebook.com/TUTORMAN, and I look forward to partnering with you, my friend, and helping you to overcome all of your obstacles and to build a successful business quickly and easily. 3 steps to join. Step number 1, register. Step number 2, add some referrals. Only 3. And step number 3, fund your position. This is Tutor Man helping people to help themselves and helping to free the world. Thank you.